start a cup of tea. So yesterday was very productive. Pretty much wrapped the bike up, welding wise anyway, and this is the end result. So as you can see, I've now got a seat and a frame and a battery pack and a display, handlebars, wheels. Also we've got brake calipers that are welded on the discs, front and back. So I am well chuffed that actually happened, because I didn't think it would. So the seat is comfortable, ride height's comfortable. As you can see, this is what we end up welding. We obviously, the old seat used to come up here, we've cut that off, plated it. When I say we, I mean Dave. He pretty much done everything. I just passed him stuff when he needed it, or held stuff. Obviously welded a frame, here, and obviously the other side. Got the big main bar going across, and then this bit here, if you can see, is actually from Swim Chopper, which some people might tell me off for doing this, but so basically just cut. I've got about 5 of these frames, so losing one isn't a problem. I basically just cut there, and then we cut there, same on the other side, and then just welded them together. Some really cool welding, very strong. This is what we want here. I've actually got a brake light to go here, that should be here very soon. And because obviously we've got so much spare metal, I think today let's strip it down again and put some edge primer on it so it doesn't start rusting. First things first, protect your knees. Secondly, drink some tea. And then thirdly, let's start taking off everything. So let's get things off. Battery. There's a plate. So for the seat, I think that's a 10mm. Right, that's the seat off. So as you can see, this is the frame that we've built. Now the seat's off, comes along, a couple of holes there for the battery, and then this is our frame that we built. These are the brackets for the seat. Dave done a great job with the welding, I must admit. Made it strong, that's what we want. We're going for strength, not prettiness, which is fine by me. So what I'm going to do now is take the wheels off, and then we'll cover the front up, put a bag over it or something, and we'll just give everything a light spray. 1 wheel, 2 wheel, there's my frame now. I don't know whether to spray it in here, or I'll take it down the side of the house and paint it. So I got me some etch primer. This basically helps any bare metal, it protects it, I suppose. It protects any bare metal. Better using this than normal primer. Yeah, so what we do is we just key up everything around the paint, well, the bare metal, and paint everything else. Yeah, 320 a day. I've just been down the side of the house. There's literally no room down there. Pain in the ass. Managed to put a bit of paint on the bike. And when I say a bit, I do mean a bit. I had like half a can, but I just wanted to get the metal, bare metal, edge primed. Oh, I've got paint on my face. Not the worst thing I've had on my face. So it's keyed up as best it can be. It's now primed. We're going to leave that to dry overnight. So, and then we'll put everything back together and then take it for a little test drive. Getting interesting. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and do whatever you normally do. don't know what this is. Random.